Well, there is a new hotspot in the Brass City.
It's a place that you know and love, but now it's back and better than ever.
Yes, the Mattatuck Museum in Waterbury is open again after a major renovation during the pandemic, and you might even want to celebrate something there on the new rooftop terrace.
Ooh.
Take a look.
This is incredible. What's happened?
Thank you. Yes, so much has happened. We've added a whole new addition here to the building. We've landscaped it outside, added some sculptures out there, a whole new visitor services experience here at our welcome desk, a new museum shop, restrooms and cloakroom, and then behind that wall is our brand new freight-sized elevator.
It's so open, it's so bright, and one of the things you really want to do is let people out there in the community know that they're reflected in here. Tell me about what we're seeing.
Well, you're seeing amazing art by women and people of color, Ecuadorian artists from Westport, Kristen Baker from Litchfield, Mariana Bilak, who is from, the Hudson Valley actually, and that's Taj Rust, who is in New Haven. So we really wanted the first experience to be art by people of color and art of people of color, so that our community, our local community, will look in the windows and see themselves on the walls. We're trying to represent the many different people who are living in Waterbury today, because there's 40-something languages that are spoken in our schools, and we are majority city.
Enter by the new hip double M sign and spend the day. You can even relax and take in the beautiful city views at a table that comes with charging stations.
The thing that makes the Mattatuck Museum in Waterbury special is everyone who's represented here has a connection to Connecticut.
Right. We have this amazing dual mission. We have our art collection and we have our histories collection. And through those art objects and those furnishings and archival materials, we're telling the story of the Naugatuck Valley of Western Connecticut, from the pre-settlers to the natives who lived here to today.
While history is important, Byrne says the opening exhibit is all about joy and whimsy, since we could all use a little of that right now.
So this is the brand new exhibit space?
Absolutely. This is our new monger gallery up here on the second floor of the museum. It's a really wonderful white box that allows us to do all sorts of things. And today we're featuring Robert Jackson and his amazing balloon dogs.
I love it. Balloon dogs. So he just decided, I want to do something fun. I think I'll paint balloon dogs.
Absolutely. He was inspired by seeing kids doing balloon dogs at a baseball game, and he's like, wait, that's what I'm missing. I got to put a balloon dog in my painting. So here we have balloon dogs having a pizza party, which is my favorite painting of all of them, because my own dogs, the only thing they wanted was the crust, and these dogs have no interest in the crust at all. They're just dropping it on the floor.
Oh my gosh. And over there, we've got balloons eating watermelon.
Great.
Or hot dogs. But it is just bright and colorful, and that is what's great for this time.
Right. So we chose specifically to open with this show in here because we wanted people to come into a gallery and just feel pure joy, which is something all of us really need to feel right now.
Ever wonder how an artist works? You can see Jackson's process in a video. And next on the tour?
So we call this the Hall of Pandemic Giving.
Exactly. So these are all gifts that we received in the last months of 2020 before the year ended. This one hallway is all from one family, the Bailey family of New Milford, and they have given us works to help us really strengthen our Central and South American collections, because there are so many people from Central and South America here in the city of Waterbury. So we have on the walls here Mexico, Venezuela, Brazil, Ecuador, and Haiti.
And the mat has some very cool American history too. In this room, you'll see the signatures of the presidents.
This is so cool. So this is a room where everything here has to do with the signature of a president.
Exactly. So we received a gift of presidential signatures from George Washington to Donald Trump. We will eventually get one for Joe Biden. We left space for that over there. These all came to us from Faye Vincent, the former baseball commissioner, who's a native of Waterbury.
And a flag from the first president who ever campaigned.
William Henry Harrison was the very first person who ever ran for president, who actually promoted himself. Up until that time, it was thought to be unseemly for the person who wanted to be president to actually promote themselves.
So what's old is new again.
Exactly.
This is the original collection, but everything's been renovated.
And totally reinstalled in a whole new way. And we've incorporated some furniture pieces and some objects like this amazing time clock out of one of the factories here in Waterbury on the wall. It's where you would go in every morning and put in your card and ching ching. And it actually still works.
Right from one of the factories that earned Waterbury the title of the Brass City. You can also view some famous pieces by world-renowned artists like Sol LeWitt.
We have work by Saul LeWitt, who's very well known for his large mural pieces. He's originally from New Britain and ended up living down near Essex, but known around the world for the works that we have.
And outside, take a look at the only rooftop terrace in Waterbury.
It's a really great addition for us. People will be able to come out here and have lunch. We're going to have musicians playing in the evening. When there's a show at the Palace, we'll have tapas and things. It's going to be a really great thing. Also, you can have your wedding here or a party, and it's already wired for sound. So check it out.
This is the cool new thing in Waterbury.
So do something lovely and amazing and give the Mattatuck Museum a visit soon.
That looks awesome. What a great job they did.
There's actually something inside the building that says lovely and amazing in neon. It's really cool. I think you'll love it. And the ticket prices are really reasonable. The museum is following all the safety guidelines for the pandemic, and you can actually get a time ticket. Just learn more at mattmuseum.org. Adults are only $10. Children under 5 are free.
That is incredible. What a great place.